Here's today's outfit of the day. I'm wearing this really cute striped jacket that is from Stylwe. I just took pictures of this for the blog. The only thing that I really haven't been wearing all day is these heels because they're not very comfortable. They're a little over the top for wearing around the house. But this jacket has so many colors in it. It's so cute. And it's kind of like this boxy. It's kind of somewhat old-fashioned, I think. And then these big bell sleeves. It's white on the inside, so it's unlined. And the fabric, it kind of reminds me of like a felt or something like that. So the fabric could have been perhaps a little bit better, but I do think it's very cute and unique. And the good thing about it is that it will go with so many different things. So here's a look at today's outfit of the day. It's this really cute ladybug shirt dress from Shein. I'm wearing a size small, I think, and the fit is pretty much perfect. It's very comfortable, and you can wear it as like a tunic top or something like that as well. But yeah, it's very cute, perfect for spring. I'm making shrimp scampi, my version of shrimp scampi anyway, for National Shrimp Scampi Day. I have a package of already cooked extra large shrimp, and then I added lemon pepper. So I add lemon pepper and then maybe some extra pepper and then probably like a half a stick of butter. Today is April 30th and here is today's outfit of the day. It's this really cute little dress from Shein. Unfortunately I can't find it anywhere on the website anymore, but I'll try to link something similar maybe. I have these big chunky pearl bracelets and these earrings that I bought from AliExpress for like a couple bucks. I love these earrings. They go with so many things. They're like a basic that I wear with everything all the time. And then I have these little heels, little sandals. I wear those a lot during the summer as well, spring and summer. But yeah, this is kind of a little comfortable dress. It's really loose and flowy and short, but not too short. It's very cute. For National Oatmeal Cookie Day, we decided to make oatmeal cookies, and this is how they turned out. I'm not exactly an expert cookie maker yet. I need to learn the portion control and portion sizes and all that, but they actually taste really good. So I'm going to leave the recipe in the description box because I think I'll be making these again. They're so good. So it is Friday, May 1st. This sweater came in the mail yesterday. You may recognize it. I have this in the red Royal Stewart version. I decided to get the blue one. And as I've said before, this one was on sale for only $6.50. So they're definitely a good deal, and they still have some in stock. This time I got this one in a size medium, so it's a little bit more of a relaxed fit, even more so than the other one. The other one isn't really relaxed fit at all, actually. It's very fitted for a sweater. And then I'm wearing this little necklace here that I thrifted. And then my favorite leggings. I don't know if they're still in stock, but if they are, I'll try to find them. But yeah, this sweater is so much fun. And then I have another one coming in a size large in the red because I like them so much. I thought it would be even more comfortable to wear for loungewear. We're doing prep for Cinco de Mayo tomorrow with our crock pot Mexican slow cooking. And we decided we're going to do the Mexican cheese soup, which looks pretty good. And it requires ground beef, pasteurized processed cheese product, kidney beans, tomatoes with green chilies, stewed tomatoes, corn, taco seasoning mix, jalapeno pepper, which is optional, and tortilla chips, which are also optional. And we're going to prep it tonight ahead of time. because Vaughn's gonna get up at like, like 7 to have it ready at noon. And so we're gonna see how that turns out. And we already bought all of the ingredients. So this is a pound of ground beef, the patties. They're 85% lean, which I do like using higher than that. Lean usually, but this is all we can get right now. I weighed this out, and 4 patties equals a pound. And I'm just going to add some water and boil it until it comes apart, scraping it apart with a fork. That's usually how I cook my hamburger, like for pasta and stuff like that, because I'm usually never thinking ahead enough to actually thaw it. But this way it works pretty good, and it doesn't take very long, like maybe 10 or 15 minutes to break it up and get it cooked. You kind of like boil it, and the water will boil down. So that usually works pretty good. So far we've added the packet of Taco Bell seasoning taco mix, and we've added corn and stewed tomatoes and tomatoes with the chilies. Oh, and the kidney beans, which have been drained and rinsed. Here's a look at the Tupperware container. Actually, it's a Rubbermaid container. But here are all the ingredients ready to go into the crock pot tomorrow. So here's a look at today's outfit of the day. We have a mess here in the dining room and living room area because we've been cleaning up the tiki bar in time for Cinco de Mayo tomorrow. So I'm wearing these striped pants that I bought from Roses a few years ago, and then this really cute t-shirt here that is from Goodwill. I thought it was really fun, and it has Kentucky down here, and I have actually been to Kentucky. And I just took off my jewelry because it is now evening and I'm ready to watch TV and relax. It is now Cinco de Mayo, and this is what our cheese soup looks like. I'm thinking it's actually more of a dip than a soup, because that does not look like a soup. And it doesn't necessarily look that great, but it probably tastes great, hopefully. And here is my plate with chips, and we're gonna try this and see what it tastes like. Casual outfit of the day, this striped sweater. It was thrifted. These super soft leggings that I got from Walmart a couple years ago. And yeah, there's stuff all around behind me because we've been making some repairs. And also I'm going to be painting another room, so pretty much everything in that room is going to be coming in here. But yeah, it's today's casual look of the day. Today is Saturday the 9th, and this is my outfit of the day. This sweater that was thrifted, and these gorgeous print pants that I bought from Roses a few years ago. I just adore this print. I wish they were a little bit shorter so I wouldn't have to wear them with heels like these boots, but they're very comfortable. They're fairly high-waisted, and they're a very comfortable, stretchy fabric. The print is just so pretty. I wish I could get more things in that print. It would be nice. And then I'm wearing these earrings. These came in a set with a necklace from Walmart. And yeah, the ladder is still over there. Still haven't put that away yet. And this room is about to get a lot messier because I've got to take everything out of my pink room to paint it. So pretty much everything's going to be coming in here into the living room, so that's going to be fun. It's already getting cluttered behind me, as you can see. Monday the 11th of May, and this is a look at today's outfit of the day. It's this casual little hoodie that I got from Roses. It matched these pants, I thought, perfectly because they have this cute gray and black and white stripe down the leg, and this top has gray, white, and pink in it. So do the leggings. So I thought that was a really cute outfit. Even though these were both made from different companies, I found them at the same time. And yeah, this is my first time wearing this little outfit. I thought it was very cute for that kind of casual look, even though I don't usually dress quite this casual. And then I'm wearing these shoes that I got from Walmart, and they were only $5 on sale, and they're like really chunky sneaker look. And yeah, I've added a few things behind me. As you can see, everything's coming out of the pink room, as I said earlier, so it's going to get a lot messier in here before it gets better. And then I just noticed that the paint that I wanted cannot be picked up, so you have to wait like I think it's going to be almost a month, 3 weeks to a month, to receive it in the mail. So that's going to be a long time to wait, because what I wanted to do was finish painting all of the rooms white in my pink room. And to do that, I need to bring everything in here into the living room, dining room area, and the foyer area. But that shouldn't take but a few days. And then I'm going to have the floor that's going to need to be painted. And if I order this paint, I'm going to have to wait for these few weeks. So I'm wondering if I should just try to find some different paint somewhere else. But I really liked the look of this one. It's from Bear, and it was called Lotus Petal Pink. So we'll see. Maybe I'll just end up buying something else from a different brand. I haven't checked that out yet.